Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon. This is Nerissa GM. Anyway, we are here at the Maszda car dealership, and I got this thank you card. See this thank you card. Because I am a frontliner, so they sent me this card, and it was very nice of them that I get complimentary oil chains and enhanced cleaning, and it's two, so which is great, and our two vehicles will be all set with no charge at all. And that was very nice of the team Maszda, and we're so lucky. So I hope all the frontliners get this complimentary card, so that would be so great. And that is so cool. I show you the Maszda dealership, guys, in a little bit. Do it. All right, guys, and this is the Maszda dealership, guys. It's a beautiful sunny day today. And this is the building, guys. Thank you, Maszda. And by the way, this is the second year. Last year and this year we got the oil chains and cleaning, and it was very nice of them, Maszda dealership, to give us frontliners complimentary cleaning and oil chains. So yeah, that was very nice, and it's beautiful today.